Hey guys, look at this epoxy project that we just finished. We started with an inexpensive table surface and we turned it into a masterpiece. We used simple techniques, tools and tricks we're going to show you right now. We simply sprayed the edges, we mixed our materials, and look at what we achieved. We simply used two of our metallic colors, we troweled them across the surface, we used our chop brush technique, and the results came out phenomenal. We're going to show all the tips and tricks right now. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com and enjoy the video. Hey guys, Mike here with stonecoatcountertops.com. We're going to have fun with color today, and green is our theme. We're going to have some fun with these green colors. We're going to use our metallic color Mystic Moss and also our Real Teal. These are two awesome colors. We're going to show you how they look over this blank canvas. This is a table surface that we picked up at Walmart. It came with legs. It's just a laminate table surface. It's got fake oak grain in it, stuff like that. And we're going to apply Stone Coat Countertop epoxy with these two colors. We'll check it out from there, and that may be really cool just by itself. The first thing we're going to do is address these edges. Because this is painted black, if we don't spray something on those edges, you'll see black showing through and ghosting through on the edges because it's thinner. The epoxy runs downhill. You can kind of see through. It's more transparent on those edges. So we're going to hit it with some of these colors that will kind of hide the fact that it's black underneath. I think it'll be really neat. Let's get started right now. Here we go. Here we're using three complementary colors. We're using Seafoam, Lagoon, and Hunter Green. These are going to go great with those two metallic colors. All right guys, we got those edges sprayed. It's time to mix the epoxy. After we mix the epoxy, we're going to do half and half. Half of it with our Real Teal, half of it with our Mystic Moss. Let's get started. On this project, we're going to use our normal Stone Coat Countertop epoxy. We're going to mix at a 1-to-1 ratio for about 2 minutes. You're going to use 3 ounces of material per square foot and use a drill to mix. I like to start with these clear plastic cups because they're not as expensive as a measuring cup, and you can see exactly what the color is and how much metallic you've put in to see how opaque or transparent you want to make it. The more metallic you add, the more opaque it's going to be. And a little goes a long way. It really is amazing how opaque you can make those with very little metallic. We really love the two metallics that we used in this project. This is our Real Teal. This one is beautiful. This next color is called Mystic Moss. This is a fun one. Here we're going to use one of our favorite tools. This is our 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel. This ensures that we don't use too much epoxy, but we don't leave too little on the surface, so everything levels out beautifully. Here we're using our chop brush to create a beautiful pattern on the surface. Make sure you do it randomly. Don't leave a bunch of track marks where you could tell how you chopped it out. Random is best. I want to add a little bit more of that Real Teal color so it stands out. Because I want that to be kind of prominent. Let's check that out now. And you don't want to over chop it because you'll make the whole thing one color. So I'm just going through here and chopping that Real Teal out. Oh golly, that looks beautiful. Be sure to brush those edges in long horizontal strokes to remove any drip marks. Look how easy the bubbles torch out of the surface. We're going to do this 3 times and we're ready for our second flood coat the next day. All right, guys, question of the day. What technique do you use when using metallics? Do you like to striate it with a brush, drag it with a rag? Do you like to chop it how we just did? Let us know in the comments below. Also, go see our Stone Coat Countertop Insiders group. You're gonna see techniques, tips, and tricks on that group that will blow your mind. We really appreciate all the input and feedback and all the tips that folks are showing every single day. Visit that anytime. We'll see you there soon. Hey guys, I had a blast with these two metallic colors, our Mystic Moss and our Real Teal. We combined them together and we got all these different shades just from chopping them together on the surface of this table project. You know, you could go get your own table, pick your two favorite metallics, chop them together, and you're gonna have your own masterpiece. This is a really easy technique, but it is absolutely three-dimensional. Thanks again for watching this video. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. We love helping people with their projects. Thanks again, and until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon. Visit stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.